Next on our list is the green one, Nedbank, full service group. Remember, it's got that controlling stake, 52% held by the Old Mutual Group. So that's London-based and insurance and so on. It's done very well in recent years. Of course, it had a big wobble back in 2002, but since then recapitalized and done spectacularly, gained market share under Mike Brown and his predecessor, Tom Boardman. Market capitalization, 115 billion rand. So there you go, pretty much clearly in fourth position in terms of its scale. Price earnings ratio 10.3, that sounds low. Dividend yield 4.75. So Joseph, I mean, they have considerably outperformed in recent years. They've gained market share, I think, in like property lending, and they've got solid growth in private banking and ordinary retail banking. I think they still have some technology challenges, but they managed to hide them from their customers mostly. I mean, what else can you say about the team here? Steady as it goes, seem a solid performer?
Well, make things happen. That's their tagline, or source tagline. So certainly they've been making things happen over the last 5 years, 7 years since Mr. Mike Brown came in. Tom Boardman, entrepreneur, remember he owned Boardman's. And I think when he came in, the bank was basically struggling. And the turnaround strategy, that's when basically started. So if you look from 2011, which is what, 7 years, 5 years ago, certainly there has been that progressive improvement.
Basically a doubling of the share price.
Certainly, it has got less wobbly in terms of performance or flat areas if you compare to Barclays or Standard Bank Group. So they've done very well.
And as far as we know, the Old Mutual guys like them in the asset group. They gather assets, they introduce them to high net worth clients, and then they can do a certain amount of cross-selling. So, hot or not, happy to call this one?
It is hot. I think it's got an upside possible of about 19-20%. We're calling the target price now around 270, 272.
Okay, interesting. Good. All right. I'm going to go with not hot on that one. I just feel a bit grumpy about these guys today.